Hey, it's Sean with Divine Dents, and here's what I have for you today. Some people find aluminum a greater challenge, and it is, and it does have its challenges, but with the proper tools and the right access, you can get to anything, most things. It does have its physical aspects, but I like to look at it as a workout. You know, it helps build those forearms up. You know, keeps you strong out here. Hey, many find aluminum a challenge to work with, and it does have its challenges, but I find it as a friend, because what it does is it's harder to push, so it's more friendly to making mistakes possibly. So you know, the harder you push, you can push through on certain other metals, but this one, it's a little more forgiving. It does, you know, it's harder to push through. So, you know, I like working on aluminum. Aluminum is a friend in this case. Working with your standard metal and aluminum, they both have their challenges, but you know, in the end, with the right tools and techniques, you can get the job done. Thanks, and have a good one.